Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python. To begin your journey, first understand that Python is a powerful, high-level programming language, widely used across many fields like web development, data science, and artificial intelligence. Your initial step should be to install Python from its official website and select an integrated development environment, or IDE, such as Visual Studio Code or PyCharm. Then, familiarize yourself with fundamental syntax, variables, and basic data types like integers and strings. Practice simple input and output operations to solidify these foundational concepts. Once you have the basics down, focus on mastering core programming concepts. Dive into control flow statements, including if-else conditions for loops and while loops, which dictate how your program executes. Next, understand functions. These are crucial for organizing your code into reusable blocks, making it more modular and readable. Finally, explore Python's essential data structures: lists for ordered collections, tuples for immutable sequences, dictionaries for key-value pairs, and sets for unique elements. Consistent practice is vital for solidifying your Python skills. Actively solve coding challenges on platforms like LeetCode or HackerRank to sharpen your problem-solving abilities. Then, transition to building small, practical projects. Examples include a basic calculator, a simple to-do list application, or a text-based adventure game. These projects help you apply theoretical knowledge. For further growth, consider contributing to open-source projects or collaborating with other learners to gain valuable real-world experience and feedback. As you progress, delve into more advanced Python topics. Master object-oriented programming, understanding concepts like classes, objects, inheritance, and polymorphism to write more structured and scalable code. Next, explore specialized libraries and frameworks tailored to your interests, such as Django or Flask for web development, Pandas or NumPy for data science, or TensorFlow for machine learning. Remember, the field of programming is constantly evolving, so commit to continuous learning and staying updated with new technologies and best practices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.